and folders of computer. Okay, so what is file, what is folder? Okay, so these things we have to discuss. Okay, yes, when we do work on computer, no, sometimes we need to save it in computer. Okay, store it in computer or to use that work in future. If you are required to do any modification in that work, no, suppose it's an essay or a drawing, and in future you will be needed to do some changes in drawing or changes in that essay. Okay, so for this we have to store it, then only we can do modification in future, isn't it? If it is not saved, it is not stored in computer, so you cannot open that file in future, isn't it? So any work we need in future to use that work again, okay, in future again. So for this we have to save files. So we have to save that work in file. Okay, so why in file? Why only in file? Because no, computer gives only one option, that is file. If any computer work you have to save, or any software you want to save, so these will be saved in the form of files. In the form of files. Remember this thing. Okay, computer always saves work. Computer always store work in the form of files. In the form of files. Remember, understood? So suppose here you see, this is paint program. Okay, let's draw some picture here. Suppose with this brush, no. I'm going to draw a tree. I'm not very good in drawing, children, but I'm still trying. Okay, small tree drawn, and I have to close it also, otherwise color will be spread out. Then here small hut. Okay, this is the drawing. My mouse is not functioning properly. Okay, so creating problem, and I am not very good in drawing. Somehow how I drawn this. Okay, so suppose this is a drawing done. Okay, now I want to save this drawing in computer. Okay, I want to save it for later use. Okay, so how I taught you in your previous chapter how to save a drawing, isn't it? So when you start saving the drawing, no, means that time you create a file. Click on save as, है ना? This is save as dialog box. Here where do you want to save this drawing? So I am selecting desktop. Okay, several places are here to save the drawing. Desktop, download, recent places, documents. If you don't mention place, no, location for saving the drawing, okay, by default computer saves it in documents. Okay, by default it saves in documents. Clear? But here I'm selecting desktop, okay, to save this file, and this file name, here I'm going to write file name tree and hut. Tree and hut, HUT, hut. Clear? And click on save. Means what I did here, I created a file. What did I do here? created a file. File name is Tree and Hut. You can see at the title bar, है ना? File name now has come, isn't it? So this way we create files. So whenever you do work and start attempting to save it, okay, so computer asks you to create a file. Okay, so with save as dialog box, we create file. Understood? So this way you come to know how to create a file. I hope you understood how to create a file. Computer creates several types of file, है ना? In books it is shown. PNG file to save image, JPG file, that is also to save photograph file, okay, transferred from digital camera to the computer, okay, JPG file. PNG file, it is image file, but image file of paint program, and program file, okay, here it is shown, page number 86. See this one. Okay, open your book at page number 86. Okay, so different types of files. There are different types of file can be created in computer. Understood? Now folders in computer. Folders in computer. What is folder? So folder is just like a bag where you can save other files. Okay, not I mean all the files, where you can save all the files and other folders remember this. Understood? Because all these you will be asked in your exam. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Okay. When we attempt to save our computer work, we create a file. Okay, and in folder we can save files and other folders, okay, of computer. Understood, no? So here in your book it is written each computer has thousands of files. You can see my file here, so many files I have, isn't it? Many files I have in my computer here on desktop, and in other drives too I have many files. So thousands of files we keep in computer. Then to make easier to find all those files, we can group them in folder. You can see here my folder. This is pics. Okay, pics folder. Okay, here you see. This is a folder. Okay, it's a folder. And in this folder, no, I have many pictures. See, so many pictures I have. I can show you. See. Okay, thousands of pictures I have in this. Okay, so I mean to say that in a folder we can keep files. Okay, we can group all the files in the form of folder. So folder is a place to store files and folders. Understood? When we do double click on computer icon on the desktop, a window opens displaying icons of all the hard disk drives, saved files and folders in it. Okay, you see this is computer icon. Here, this is computer icon. Okay, when you do double click, so it shows all the drives, local C drive, D drive and E drive. These are parts of hard disk. And these are different places where we can save our computer work. Understood? Yes. So this is computer icon. Okay children, these are hard disk. Hard drive means here hard disk parts. Okay, so when we do double click on it, see Here also it's showing hard disk parts name. Local disk, C drive, D drive and E drive. Okay. So when we do double click on them, so it shows its folders. Okay. Then whichever files are there, again folders are there in folder. Okay. So it shows accordingly. Here it is the D drive. So some files, folders, videos are there. Okay. Then here it is E drive. So many pictures are there. Understood? 5 folders are there. So this way we can see, okay, whichever work you have saved in all these hard disk parts, no? So you can easily see all the things. Okay. So all computer work, whether it's a video or it's a song or it's an image, we save it in the form of files, and all files we can store in a folder. I hope you understood this. Then here it is written removable storage devices. Children, I don't have pen drive and CD drive. Okay, so I can't show you here, but in your CD drive, okay, in your CD drive, if you have inserted, if that CD or DVD, if it is inserted, so here in this place and here it shows this this option, removable storage devices. Here this is given in your book, removable storage devices. Okay, with this icon. Understood? So if your pen drive is attached with the CPU box, or CD or DVD is inserted in the CD drive, okay, or DVD drive, if it is inserted there, so computer icon shows it with this option, removable storage device icon. Understood? So through here you can open your pen drive and you can see easily all the content of that pen drive. Even external hard disk also, not only pen drive, external hard disk, if it is connected to your computer, no, so you can easily see all the contents of that external hard disk or of it, or pen drive or it CD or DVD. You can easily see the content. Understood? By double click on its icon. Clear, no? And these are folders, desktop folder. When you do double click, so it shows all the files and folders of desktop. When you do I don't have anything here downloads because I don't have internet connection. So document shows all the files. Okay, music shows music files. Okay, these are music files. So these are the things. Okay, I think you understood now. Now our next topic is how to create a folder. Folder you can create anywhere. If you want to create folder on the desktop, can be created. Want to create folder in any drives like E drive or D drive or whichever drive. Okay, so wherever you want, so you have to open that drive. Okay, suppose I'm going to create a folder in D drive. Okay, see, do double click on D drive. So this is D drive contents. Okay, now for creating a new folder, here is new folder option. Okay, here in computer window, no, new folder option. Okay, which drive is this? This is, here you see D drive. This is D drive, and on the right pane it shows all the content of D drive. Now when you click on new folder, you see new folder appeared. Hai na? Now it is asking you to write name for your folder. Okay, new folder, it is already written here. It is by default, it comes with the name new folder, but you can change it Press backspace key. This highlighted one will be removed. Done, है ना? Backspace key. Then you can write your folder name. Okay. Folder 1. Clear? So this way we create folder. In whichever drive you want to create folder, you can do this. है ना? If it is a C drive, do click and then go to the new folder. New folder is created. Understood? This way we do. I hope you understood how to create a folder. Okay, and next topic is given opening a folder. So opening a folder, it is very easy. Okay, do double click on the folder. Folder will be opened. Okay, like this one. This is program files folder. है ना? When we do double click on it, all program file. Program files content. Again, these are folders only. And when we do double click on Microsoft Office, it shows this. Okay, again a folder. Understood? So this way we can open folder. Opening folder is very simple. All of you can do this. Okay, now next is saving a file in a folder. Saving a file in a folder. Okay. Now you see, I drawn this flower. Okay. This flower, just now I drawn it. Okay. I kept my camera paused. Okay. I drawn this flower for you, and now you see how to save this flower in a folder. Clear? So first of all, fill some color inside this. Okay, fill with color tool. Okay. This is done. Okay, now I'm going to save this drawing in a file, and file will be saved in a folder. Okay, see, go to the paint button, save as dialog box, save as option. Now save as dialog box appeared. Clear? First of all, give file name, press backspace and write file name. So my flower, FLOWER, my flower. This is file name. Okay, done. Now here you see, in D drive we have created a folder. No, in D drive, click on D drive, and this folder we have created, isn't it? So in this folder, because it is empty one, just now created this one, so select this one. Okay, and do double click over that. No, so no match, means this is empty folder. It's showing. Now save button has come. Okay, click on it. Now this file, my flower, see, my flower. I hope you can read this. My flower file. Okay, now is saved in the folder 1 of D drive. Now you can see. Close it. Go to the computer icon. See again. Here it is, computer icon. Do double click. Okay. So, and this is D drive. है ना? Double click. And this is folder 1. And here is my file. My flower. Double click. File is opened. Okay. This way we create file. Understood? And we save file in a folder. Again, it's being used. Okay, now I hope you understood how to create a file and save the file in a folder. Okay. Now, View of folder, page number 91. This is our next topic, view of folders. So we can change the view of folder as per our convenience. As per our convenience. See, in C drive we have many folders. Okay. So as per our convenience we can see. Windows 7 provides us 8 views. 8 views. Here it is given. Page number 1. This is our next topic, view of folders. So we can change the view of folder as per our convenience. As per our convenience. See, in C drive we have many folders. Okay. So as per our convenience we can see. Windows 7 provides us 8 views. 8 views. Here it is given. Page number 91. See. I hope it is visible. Extra large icon, medium icon, small icon, list, detail, tiles and content. है ना? So now these options, no, you can view here. You can see here. More options. See here this one. When you click on this button, okay. So it shows extra large icon, medium, small, list, detail, tiles and content. Okay. Now when I click this one, extra large icon, you see. Folder size has become big. Okay. Now, this is large icon option, है ना? Simple one. Then next, medium icons. So these are medium icon size. When you click on small icons, so these are small icons, है ना? Accordingly we change. Then list. When you click on this, so this is list of icons. Details. So it's coming with detail. In tail, this is the date, file folder. It's not showing size, but you can see size also. Then details and tiles. These are tiles view. Okay, it's tiles view. And this is content. Okay, which day the file was modified. Okay, it shows. Understood? I hope you understood all the views of files icon, है ना? There are 8 views. Remember these, okay? Because in your exam you can be asked, write views name. Okay? You can be asked in your exam in any form, in an objective question or in subjective questions. Understood? These views name. Which view shows files in which form? You can be asked. Understood? Okay. Now, so just now I shown you how to change the view. Okay, chapter is finished. Chapter we have done now. I hope you understood this chapter, how to manage files and folders in computer, how to create file, how to create folder, how to save, how to create a file, then save that file into the folder. These things we have done. Then I've shown you all 8 views of 8 views of icons in computer. Okay. 8 views of folder. Done? So, children, don't waste your time now. Okay, exams are very close. And you have to learn your all question and answers. So, read chapters. Okay. Syllabus I already sent you. Okay. This time, objective and subjective. Both types of questions will come. Okay, in your exam. So prepare your chapters accordingly. You have to prepare long answer questions and objective ones. Okay, like fill in the blanks, true and false, this type of questions. So prepare everything. Read chapter, learn question answers. Don't waste your time. Okay, give maximum time for your studies and take care of yourself. Okay.